Hi, Dolly.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Open.
What are we opening?
This one.
What's this one?
Are we opening some babies today? Yeah, we got some random. We got two random.
So let's get started.
Let's get started. She wants to start with this one. She opened this one first. This is how it looks like.
This one.
This one. And then we have Sparkle Girls, Sparkle Babies. The babies. Cute little bitty babies. Bitty bitty babies. Let mommy help.
Mommy.
Yeah, Schnook.
Mommy, I got a backpack as well.
Yeah, that's it. That.
Mommy.
It smell like not strawberries. It smell like bubble gum.
Jelly beans.
Not jelly beans. It smell like bubble gum. So cute.
Mommy, look at it.
Yeah, should we open that one?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Mommy, I'm going to brush her hair. I'm going to brush her hair.
And here's the brush.
Mommy, look on her feet.
Yes. Come on, here's the brush. And we got another purple brush. This one is purple.
Mommy, look, I got lots of bubbles now. Look, I got
Purple
lots of
brush with the S on it.
bubbles. Mommy.
Yes. Now let's open this one. In this one, it's a crown.
Mommy.
Show it. There's a crown. Let me see.
It goes on this one.
Where's the other crown? There's the crown. Should you want me to show? But I'm showing you still anyway. It goes on like this.
Mommy, get on this one.
Yay! She got her crown on.
Mommy, it goes on this one.
Yeah, should we unbox these babies? These beady babies. Oh wow, this one has this. This one, the other one didn't come with a crown. Open it. Unbox them. Yeah, they're hair clips. We need to assemble them. I don't know. Let's open this one. Beady beady babies! Dolly got her two babies. There it is. Look. There. Yay! This is Dolly's beady baby. So
Hi,
beautiful baby. Yes, and she got this and this. This is her surprises. This is her babies. Beautiful.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wave. Blow kisses. Clever girl. You got new toys to play. With in this quarantine. Yes.
Hey, it will occupy you.
Baby. You brushed the hair. This one smells like. This one does. This one is not scented.
Yeah, it's not scented. Not scented.
It smells like bubblegum.
Yeah, it's not scented.
This one is scented, and the other one is not scented. Give me that one. This one is not
Mommy, look,
scented.
it's clear.
make them touch.